This is Welling School's third tour to Uganda, and it's probably been the most challenging and the toughest for everybody involved. We crammed in as much as possible in 2 weeks. We travelled all the way to Mbale, which was quite a distance compared to previous tours, and we've increased the number of students that we've coached. So it's been quite demanding, a real test of character for all the students, but they've all risen to the challenge.
Seeing these students from UK coming to see how Uganda runs their things, I think it's really life-changing. And at the end of it all, we are building futures through rugby.
Shall we play?
The culture here is so different to what it is at home, and it's a completely different world. When we travel and we just look out the window of the minibus, it is insane, the difference between here and back home. You honestly don't feel like you're in the same world, like planet as everyone else.
The Welling students going in the community and they do community work, it's something that you can remember in a lifetime. And I believe when they go back, they won't forget us. And they also won't forget the fact that their work has really brought an impact in the community.
Uganda has been amazing. We've all had our ups and downs, I think, but overall it's been a life-changing experience. Definitely something I'll never forget. So many moments that were just really, really special to me.
Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done.
Who is going to win today? Competition 2019.
It just makes me so proud to be part of something like this, and I think it's just really important for people to come out of their comfort zone and experience something completely different to what they're used to, and especially a different culture, different environment, different expectations. It just it makes you a better person, and it's certainly done this to everybody involved on the 2019 tour.